What is up, my fellow yarn besties? My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. And so today I thought I would bring y'all a little mini yarn haul because the other day I went to Michael's the other day. I had my $25 gift card and I wanted to use it up, so I decided to buy some yarn. And I'll go through all the skeins and the statistics and then how much each of them cost and the deals I got. So without further ado, here we go. So the first one is from Loops and Threads. It's their number 4 weighted yarn. It's the Colorcraft acrylic line, and the colorway is linen, and I got 2 of these. And the reason I got 2 of these is because they had a deal, buy one get 50% off, so I got one, so I got the other one half price. And so also I'm close to running out of this color for my bouquet lapghan that I'm working on, so I wanted to make sure I had some before I ran out. So for the statistics, this is a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. Recommended hook size is a size H or 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, or if you're knitting, US 8 or 5 millimeter knit needles. And it is 812 yards or 742 meters, 16 ounces or 453.6 grams. So I'll show you the stats on that. And then let me go ahead and show you the stats for the back. And again, the colorway is linen, and I got 2 of these, and each one was 13, because I have the receipt right here. It was a regular $13.99, so I got 2 of them for 10. I guess 2 of them were at $10.49 a piece, but I had 50% off of the second one, so the second one only costed $7. So that was a pretty good deal. Then the second skein of yarn I saw this because I'm working on a lapghan blanket, and I thought this was really neat color. This is the Super Saver from Red Heart, and the colorway is Spring Green. And again, I'll probably use this for the outer edge of the lapghan, and I'll probably make those flowers pop. So anyway, the stats on this is a 7-ounce skein or 198 grams, 364 yards or 333 meters, and this is a number 4 worsted weighted yarn, machine washable. The recommended hook size for this skein is a USI or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, or if you're using knit needles, it's going to be a US 8 or 5 millimeter knit needles. And then here are the stats for this yarn. Then let me show you the stats for that side. All right, and then the last 2, these are on clearance, so I got 2 of these. These are Loops and Threads Skyscape. They're lined of it's like an acrylic wool blend, it looks like. So let me make sure it's acrylic and nylon. And it's machine washable, hand wash cold. That's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. The recommended hook size is a size 7 or 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, or if you're using knitting needles, US 6 or 4 millimeter size knit needles. And again, this is an acrylic nylon blend, and the colorway for this is Turquoise-Green multi. And I saw this on EG Crochet's thumbnail for one of his videos, so I thought I had to get some. And again, this was $5. This was on clearance. And I got the second one, same thing, same brand, same line, Loops and Threads. And the colorway, I forgot to read the stats for the other one, but it's the same one. So this skein, 262 yards or 240 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. And there are the stats for that one. And again, this is the number 4 worsted weighted yarn. I'll show you the stats for that one too. And the colorway on this is Orange Green Multi. Again, this was $5. So that's my little mini yarn haul. So I hope to have a lot more yarn hauls in the future, because I saw some yarns on Amazon and everywhere else, and probably Michael's. I want to try to get their Karen newest line of cakes yarns. So I'm gonna try to get those when I get down to the other Michael's, because the Michael's I went to didn't have it. So hope everyone's day's going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Love each other, help each other out, be there for one another. spread love and not hate, spread kindness, pay it forward if possible, and stay true to yourself, love yourself, and stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important. And I am going to do a series of videos because March is National Crochet Month, and I heard about this a little bit ago, so I thought I would jump on board. So I know I'm a little tardy for the party, but I am going to probably do a series of videos for the whole month. And if y'all are familiar with this whole crochet month challenge, there are like 31 challenges that you can do. There are the rules specified. The rules say that you don't have to do all of them. You can skip around to different ones. You don't have to go down the line in order. But I'll explain that in more detail when I come out with the first couple videos for the Crochet Month Challenge. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos are being released. And on top of that note, take care of yourselves and each other.